We get so much squash these days that we eat squash at least 3 times a day. So I have decided to try to make something new with them. Sauerkraut, but with squash. It is my first time, so this will be just an experiment. I've filled the jar with just squash and salt, and I can already see how the water is pouring out of the squash. I will clean off the top of the jar just a little bit and put on something with a little weight so that all the squash will be under the water. Oh, that was maybe a little bit too heavy. This works so much better. So now I will just leave it and check it tomorrow if everything is underneath the water. Wow, it's amazing how much water both on the top and on the bottom here. It looks like I have put a lot of water in, but I haven't. It's just the squash water, and it seems like it's bubbling a bit, like it's air in, but I think it's only the fermentation starting. It's starting rather fast. It's just 12 hours ago I put it here. Yeah, and I had to change the weight on the top already. It is kind of a problem that everything is floating up all the time, so I'm just taking this one to mash potatoes to put it a little bit down and then maybe have a bit heavier weight on the top. Look how much it is sinking in the jar. It was actually a lot of air in the squash from the start. I'll just have a little taste if it is sour enough. Oh yeah, absolutely. Wow! It is time for a proper taste before I put it in cold storage. tastes a bit like cucumber pickles, a bit of the same consistence. It is quite sour, a bit salty. A small amount of yeast, teeny weeny, like in real sauerkraut. So it's good like this, but I wouldn't have it like a side dish with dinner, I think. This was a fun project. I think we have way too much and still so much squash. But we have tried, it was fun. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there in YouTube land. Bye!